After learning how to simplify and how to factor, the next step is to put these polynomial expressions into the form of an equation and solve for the variable. Normally, variable would be called as an x, or the problem would tell you what the variable is. Let's start with, in section 1.6, problem number 32. Section 1.6, problem number 32. The instruction says solve the given equation. Solve the given equation. Number 32, you have 4 divided by x times x minus 2 equal 2 divided by x minus 2. Let me just put parentheses around this just in case. It will look a little bit better. Now, to solve for x, one way we can do it here, we can do a cross multiplication. Which means you would have 4 times x minus 2 equal to 2 times x minus 2. If we move the term from left-hand side to the right-hand side, you get 4 times x minus 2, and bring everything from left-hand side, from right-hand side to left-hand side, you get minus 2x times x minus 2 equal to 0. Now, between this term and this term, we can factor out x minus 2, and you get x minus 2 times 4 minus 2x equal to 0. Now, what you have here is you have 2 terms multiplied by each other equal to 0. So the logic would tell you that can happen only if the first term, which is x minus 2, is equal to 0, or if the second term, 4 minus 2x, is equal to 0. So you see you have a linear equation here. Therefore, that means x should be equal to 2. And here means minus 2x equal to minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. These are the 2 solutions, unique solution to this equation. And you can see they're basically the same answer. X is equal to 2. That is, either way, either one of these would give you the same answer. Let's do another problem from this section, 1.6, problem number 46. It says solve the equation for the indicated variable. R is equal to 2ml divided by b times n plus 1. And the indicated variable, it tells you it is n. So you want to solve for n. You want to have n equal to something. What you have here, you have this solve for r. So r is equal to this quotient here, right? But you want to solve it for n. So what we're going to do is, in the denominator first, in the denominator, I write the numerator one more time, 2ml. In the denominator, I'm going to multiply b by the parentheses. So it would be bn plus B. Then I'm going to give a denominator of 1 here and do a cross multiplication. So this would be R times Bn plus B equal to 1 times 2ml would be 2ml. Now I multiply R by the parentheses, so it would be R B N plus R B equal 2ml. Now I keep the term with N on the left-hand side, which is R B N, and have everything to the right-hand side, 2ml minus RB. Now I divide both sides by the coefficient of n, which is RB. Everything divided by RB. RB. So when you do that, this RB and this RB would cancel. So you would have n equal to, first you would have 2ml divided by RB minus, and this RB would cancel, so it would be minus 1. This is what it means by solving for n.